Hey guys, what's up? We are back today for another video. Like always, I hope you guys are having a great day. If you guys haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Honcho TV, which you're watching right now. Today's video, guys, we're making our own train. That's hence why, I've got my Thomas the Choo-Choo Train Crocs on right now. Yeah, so we're gonna be making our own train with our lawnmower and our wagon and whatever. So yeah, let's get into today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. So stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys. It's gonna be super lit. Okay, guys, so this is our rig that we got going here. It's pretty ratchet, as I say. Our pin for our thing is a screwdriver because I couldn't find the pin to hook it up. So I mean, if you guys would like this video, maybe I could afford to, you know, buy an actual pin. So yeah, like this video, guys. This is our train. We're about to go chugga chugga choo choo, chugga 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 choo choo. Plan is two people are gonna be back here, and I want to drive it, or like only two people. I don't really know, vice versa, whatever. So yeah, Ethan's gonna come out here in a minute. We gotta go get him because he's playing Minecraft. Boo! Who plays that game anymore? I've never played it in my life. But anyways, we're about to do this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. So let's start getting the train down the rails.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, guys, so we got Ethan out here. He's looking good. Looking sharp with the new haircut, right? He didn't get a haircut. He hates getting haircuts. It would take us like 2 years to get a haircut. But anyways, he's looking good. Are you ready to ride? Ready to rock.
I don't need to cut my hair because my hair is short.
Yeah, your hair's short. Are you ready to get this train on the rails? Chugga chugga choo choo. Give us your best train impression.
Farting around.
Farting around. Oh my gosh. Raise your hand if you're ready and scream as loud as you can if you're ready. Okay, that's enough. I probably shouldn't have said that because that hurt my ears. But anyways, let's get this train on the rails, boys. Okay, guys, so the first part of this video, I'm going to put on the chest mount and I'm going to get in the wagon. Aiden's going to drive, so let's get it, guys. You guys ready? I got the chesty on, guys. Ethan has his tablet for some weird reason. Oh my gosh. Let's go, guys. Full speed ahead! You're supposed to turn it on, Aiden. He's taking pictures. Why do you have your tablet, Lee? Aiden, turn the stupid thing on. Let's go. Do you need a mechanic? Guys, this can take me 5 seconds. Okay, he got it. You're lucky! Oh, speed ahead! Jesus Christ! We almost died! Be careful! Okay, guys, so we're gonna switch back to the regular camera because I don't really like the chesty, even though, I mean, I don't know if you guys like it. I don't really like the point of view stuff like that. So yeah, we're just gonna switch back to the camera and we're gonna film like that. So let's do it, guys. Go!
She asking if I want it now or later. She wanna play her to take it down like elevators. A demonstrator, I rev her up, accelerator, my navigator. I tell her, ooh, I want it now, babe. Ooh, I want it now, babe. Only if you want it, I'll let you flaunt it. Reads my mind like a crystal ball, and she's always on it. She talking to me like she own it. She got me crawling and screaming, ooh, I want it now, babe. Ooh, I want it now, babe. Yeah, she wanna talk to me like she riding on it. Hey, why you keep playing like I ain't running game tonight? Can't stop thinking about you, won't even try to...
Hey guys, so come over here, I have an idea. So have you ever seen a train track that like divots down a little bit? You know, not all train tracks are straight, right?
Yeah.
So, I mean, we have this little, we can make a train track right here. You know, this little ditch, it goes down, 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 and it goes up, 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 up. So yeah, you think we should maybe make our train go like that too? Okay, I'm gonna do it, okay? Because I don't want you to crash because you're a horrible driver. Just kidding, just kidding. Don't take it so offensive, boy. Okay guys, so I'm gonna set the camera right here and we're gonna go in the ditch right there. Let's do it. Pretty well. Every train engineer loves donuts. Or is that police officers? Yeah, I don't remember. Well, let's do some donuts! As a police officer, I mean a train operator. No, nap time. Better be no crime when I'm doing. I mean, nobody's stealing my train. I think we should go back to the backyard because there's like more holes back there and it's really ratchet. Like your face. Don't touch my camera, bitch.
I can do whatever I want to.
Oh, I'll kill you.
You won't do nothing.
Oh, really? Ow! He hurt me.
Ah!
Oh God, Jesus! That was crazy. Okay, guys, we're in the backyard now. We have this trash can right here. I don't really know why we have it. I don't really know if they, guys. We just use it as a tripod. But there's a lot of big holes back here, and we're gonna ride through them with them, and I'm gonna rough these guys up. And have this rhino here. Okay, guys, we're gonna go through the hole. Guys, I literally almost just crashed into the fence. That was not good at all. Well, now we gotta go to the next hole because, I mean, this is not a very steep hole. I don't know if you guys can really see that on camera. It doesn't really show it very good, but it's a small hole and we're looking for big ones. Really big ones. Like the Mariana Trench. Hey, comment down below if you know what's at the bottom of the Mariana Trench. Because I sure don't, and I'm really smart. Okay, this one is a really big hole. You can't really see it on camera, but I'm gonna destroy these two girls in the hole. Right there, see them? I'm gonna knock you over, and it's gonna be a tornado! Okay guys, so we're not gonna drive around anymore because I think we're almost out of gas and I don't want to go to the gas station right now. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed our train, but now we're just gonna do really stupid stuff the rest of the video. caption this. Put your right foot in, put your left foot in, and before I fall out. Whoa, shoot, I'm gonna fall. Oh my gosh, this is cool. And before I fall over. Oh my gosh, this is scary. I feel like I'm gonna fall. Put your right foot in, yeah, put your right. Oh gosh, no. Oh my gosh, instant replay. Okay, I gotta do that again, guys. I almost fell off. Oh my. Just told you we're gonna do stupid stuff the rest of this video. Okay, last time, okay? Because I don't want to fall. Because that was, oh my gosh. My ankle hurts. I said I wasn't gonna do any more trampoline stuff. Because my ankle does hurt right now a lot. And my bones. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh my. I almost fell out again. Okay, one more time. My ankle. I'm gonna fall. Yeah, baby. Here we go. Whoa! Oh, almost had a wipe out. Oh, no! Oh, I thought. Oh no! Yeah. Okay, guys, that is the end of today's rural war, or whatever it was. I told you guys that I'm gonna try to incorporate more of my family into the videos. Mom and Dad really don't want to be in the videos today because they're sick, and I'm getting sick too. And today's video would have been so much better, but we're filming on a 2-man crew, and yeah, that's just not good. Just me and Aiden we're filming today. I usually like to have at least 3 or 4, sometimes even 5 men when we're filming videos like these, like people, my friends or whatever. But they, like I said in yesterday's video, they have girlfriends, which is gay as crap, and they shouldn't have girlfriends till they're 45, like me. So yeah, I'm responsible like that. I'm wise, because girlfriends are stupid. You should never have one. But anyways, yeah, that's me, my rant for the day. But anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave a like and share, friends, enjoy, and subscribe if you're new. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Roll the doggone outro, guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Love you. Mwah. See you next one. Bye.